Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhishek Kapoor. I'm the Market Development Manager at Analog Devices. Today here at IMS, we are showcasing a complete solution jointly developed in partnership between Analog Devices and X Microwave. Traditionally, if you think about an RF designer, when he or she has to test a part, they get an eval board and they connect multiple different cables to that eval board and test that just one part. And now if they have to build a signal chain, they connect multiple different eval boards and connect multiple different cables to test it out. It's an extremely complex process, making it a very difficult evaluation to just build a basic prototype. Well, now in collaboration with X Microwave, ADI is bringing a solution to that. X Microwave has created these simplified modules that allow an RF part to be mounted on that, and all the entire application circuit is built on this module itself. So the only thing a designer has to do is basically connect the cables and test this part. So it's almost like a small form factor of an eval board. Now, if they want to take this part and build a full signal chain solution, they would take multiple blocks and arrange them almost, if you think about it, like Lego blocks right next to each other and build this full signal chain solution. In this particular case, we are showcasing this X-band radar signal chain that uses all of X Microwave blocks and ADI parts. And this is the receive path, the transmit path, two LO sources, allowing a designer to create an X-band radar signal chain that works in TDD as well as FDD mode. Since ADI is the only company that can truly provide a full signal chain solution from DC to bits, basically we have all the right parts. By having our parts on the X Microwave modules, we truly enable the industry with a solution where designers can pick any part to build a complete signal chain very, very quickly. Now, we are no longer limited just to packaged parts. We also offer die parts in this module form. So in this particular case, we are showcasing ADI's die parts like the HMC 1105 doubler and another mixer, which are in die form on these modules. So imagine how simple it would be to use these modules and just put it on these plates and create your signal chain versus having to probe each and every individual die. In addition to the hardware that you get about the X Microwave, we are collaborating with X Microwave on the joint sales and marketing of this solution. As a first step, on our website, any ADI part that has an associated X Microwave module has a green ribbon on the top where you can click that ribbon and get to the page of X Microwave where you can find more detail about the X Microwave module and you can buy that. Similarly, we are also leveraging our sales and distribution channel to bring this solution to the market quicker. These 250 parts are just a beginning. With more than 1,000 plus parts in our portfolio, we envision our entire part selection to be available through X Microwave, thereby allowing designers in the industry to pick any part and very quickly start building a signal chain around it. We envision a future where you are no longer limited by the eval board or the hardware setup that you have for testing and measuring, rather a quick way of rapidly prototyping any signal chain that you envision using these modules. So for more information, please visit us at www.analog.com/RF. We look forward to engaging with you. Thank you.